In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view in Canva so you can see your entire design on screen. To get started, open Canva on your device and head into the design you want to work on. If you already have a project ready, simply open that existing design. If not, you can create a new one first and then follow along from there. This feature works especially well when you want a better overall look at your layout without needing to scroll around too much. Once your design is open, direct your attention to the lower right area of your screen. In that section, look for the thumbnail button. This button usually has a small icon with squares in it, which makes it easier to recognize. If you are not sure whether you have found the right control, just look for the view-related option in that corner of the Canva editor. Click on the thumbnail button to open the available view settings. This is where Canva gives you a different way to look at your project. Instead of focusing closely on only one part of the page, you can switch the view so the full design fits more comfortably on your screen. This is especially helpful when you want to check spacing, alignment, or the overall balance of your content. After selecting that view option, you will be able to see the entire design fitted into your screen. This makes it much easier to review everything at once, especially if you are working on presentations, multi-page documents, or designs with many elements. It can also help you spot anything that looks out of place before you continue editing. A good tip here is to use this view whenever you want to quickly review the big picture of your design and then switch back to a closer editing view when you need to make detailed changes. That way, you can move smoothly between precision work and full layout review without losing track of your design. And that's all there is to it. Open Canva. Create or open your design. Click the thumbnail button in the lower right corner and use that option to change the view so the entire design fits on your screen. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make designing much more comfortable and efficient.